Hi, this is Steve Davis over at Total Wealth Academy, and this is Investor Tip Tuesday. The tip is never pick up a hammer, never pick up a saw, never pick up a paintbrush when you're rehabbing a house. If you pick up any tool, if you try to DIY, do it yourself, you're making a huge mistake. You're taking time away from where you should be. The other thing that happens is, of every single student that I've ever seen that rehab their own houses, it takes them 3 to 5 times as long to do it compared to hiring a professional general contractor to get it done. So while they think they're saving money, they lost $1,500 a month rent for 5 months, 6 months. When you add the lost rent, you didn't save a dime, and you did all the work. When I buy a house, I literally go to the closing and I have my contractor at the closing with me. As soon as the title company hands me the keys, I hand the keys to my contractor and say, call me when it's finished. He calls me a month later, 2 months later, depending on the extent of the rehab. I go, do a walkthrough, make sure everything's perfect, give him a punch-out list for what's not perfect. He finishes that. I go back, confirm the punch-out list is complete, hand him his final check, and put a sign in the front yard that the property's for rent, and 6 to 7 days later, it's leased. When people do it themselves, it's not done in 1 month or 2 months. It takes them 5 months, 6 months, a year. If the rent is $1,500, they lost $18,000 worth of rent if it took them a year. They didn't save any money whatsoever. Now, some of you go, but I'm a general contractor. I'll rehab my own houses. Don't do it. Even if you're a general contractor. There's an old joke, the cobbler's kids never have shoes. A good general contractor is going to prioritize his customers over his own investments. It's just because you're a good person. You're going to let your own house sit, oh, I'll get to it, and it never gets done. And then you go, a year later, man, this real estate investing doesn't work. No, what you did didn't work. Do not do your own rehabs. Make sure that there's enough money in the deal, enough profit, that you can pay someone else to do it. And what should you be doing? Your highest and best use, which is looking for your next deal, not painting a wall. That's Investor Tip Tuesday. Thanks for watching.